it's Lauren and welcome to How to Beauty. Wherever you are, whether it's day or night, thank you so much for tuning in. You guys are going to love this video. It is actually a sequel to my video that's linked down below. I bought 6 Birkins. Yes, I bought 6 Birkins and then I decided to buy 2 more. So that makes 8 Birkins in total. If you have not seen that video, check it out. It has size 30, 35, and 40 centimeters. Every color imaginable. I also show you how to organize every single one with an Amazon purse organizer. And so check that video out because this video will not do that one justice. So definitely check that out. This one, of course, was planned. However, it took 2 months to get the second bag or the 8th bag. So I've been waiting a little while to get this bag. I started doing the unboxing and I stopped that video and I am now sharing this video with you. And in a few minutes, you'll see why. So let's get to the 7th Birkin I purchased, which was a red size 40. One of my subscribers already knows that this bag is coming and I'm here to show you today. And it is a beautiful, vibrant red. I really, really love it. I'm not a red handbag girl. At least have one, you guys. Doesn't have to be a Birkin, but get a red bag because it is flashy, it is pretty, it's romantic. Talk about Valentine's, think about the holidays, whatever. Maybe red is your favorite color. Love it. I love it with the gold hardware. This has the Hermes logo. If you did not see my video that's linked down below, it says Hermes Paris. It says made in France. Has the gold hardware. This is not matte. I just haven't taken the plastic off yet. Now this is a little different than the 6 Birkins I purchased before. This one had a particular chemical smell to it. I've got to lay everything out on the table for you guys because I'm reviewing these bags. I purchase them, I review them, and that's the end of the story. So it had a chemical smell. I had to have it out in one of my bigger living rooms. I had to have it outside. I had to have it in my garage. Furniture, mattresses, they all sometimes have a chemical smell and have to off gas, even original authentic bags. But I have heard when you purchase an authentic Birkin, they smell amazing. This one did have a little bit of chemical smell, so I took some wet ones with a little bit of alcohol. I cleaned it thoroughly, and then I put some really nice leather conditioner cleaner on it because it is leather. However, whatever they're doing with the chemicals, it just needed to off gas and get rid of that smell. But it did take a while. I have had the bag over 2 months. It took more than 2 months to get the second one, which would be the 8th one, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But it's a great bag. It's really beautiful. Lots and lots and lots and lots of room. I mean, it is a gorgeous bag from front to back. So I totally love it. And I can't wait till holiday time because I'll be using this handbag like everywhere. So there you go. There's my review on that one. My honest opinion, my honest review. So then I decided that I was going to purchase another 40 centimeter because in the other video I have 2 40 centimeter bags. And this next one I wanted to get in orange. And orange was the absolute last color choice that I had in mind to purchase, but I thought it would be cool. I don't have anything orange. And I purchased a yellow in that I bought 6 Birkin bags, link down below. I bought a yellow one and that one just pops and it's awesome and it's cool and so many cool women have the yellow and it really is worth it. So the red really popped as well and I figured the orange would as well. Well, it popped. It popped all right and this is how it came. This is it sitting on a flat surface. This is this one sitting on a flat surface. Okay, we're doing Rockabye Baby here. Yes, and you said, Lauren, have you seen the handles? What are you talking about how it's sitting? Look at the handles. Yes, I saw the handles, you guys. The logo isn't how I like it. The Hermes made in France here. I don't like the way that looks. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. It's kind of jumbled. I don't like the handles. I am extremely displeased with this. We're going to go into why it's doing that. The handles are misshapen. They are, I don't know what this is here. I don't know what's going on with this here. It's got a bump and a lump. I mean, listen, I am not a purse doctor. I do not purchase these handbags to fix them. I can't fix it. This is unfixable and unacceptable. So then here's the bottom, and that's why it's doing all that rockabye baby crap. Excuse my language. So you hear that, and then you try to pop it out. This indenture, that ain't popping out. There's nothing popping out there. Now, whoop. Do you like the, look at that. There is nothing even Steven about that. Look at this. What am I going to do with that? I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with it in a minute. This is my 8th that I waited 3 months for, 2 or 3 months for. Look at that. I got people asking me about these bags. I don't sell them. I just buy them. I just show you. Vendor told me, got excellent quality. That's why people are interested. No, it's because I buy great bags and I show them. I'm going to show the truth of what this bag looks like though. So for the vendor and for the seller, whoever else is involved, I'm just the buyer. This is not a damaged in shipping issue, okay? Now I ripped open the box for you guys. I was doing an unboxing and I stopped the video because I couldn't believe my eyes and I had to stop it. But this is the bottom of the box, and there is no holes, there are no scratches, there is nothing wrong with the bottom of this box. Okay? This is called, and you know what it's called, quality control. This is uneven cardboard and it's bent and like this is how it was made. Somebody made it like this. They put it in a box and they sent it to me. I'm not okay with that. So here's what's going to happen. The lovely vendor who probably, hopefully has no idea this crap was sent to me. Look at that. They're going to nicely send me via email a shipping label. I'm going to ship this back to them and then I'm going to get a refund and I'm not going to get another one. I waited 2-3 months for this bag. I had high hopes for this bag. I was excited and I'm not excited anymore. So listen, I got away with getting 7 really exceptional bags that were under $100 that are worth nothing but are gorgeous, and I'm fine with that. But I had to show you this before I sent it back because I can't tell you that all of these bags are going to be perfect. I can't tell you none of these bags are going to smell. I can't tell you that you are not going to have this happen to you because there is definitely a quality control issue. So that's why I don't make them. That's why I don't sell them. I don't want to have anything to do with it. But I like to share with you what I get. Now, most of the time, you and I've shown you some phenomenal things that are really cheap, including Birkin bags, which check out the video below. It's got a way different tone. They're like coolest, gorgeous. It makes you actually like the Birkin bag because I was not a Birkin bag person at all. I think the Birkin bag is amazing. Anyway, so that's what's going to happen to this bag. I'm definitely keeping the red bag. Let me show you that red bag again. This is the type of quality we're used to. This is not, okay? But don't accept partial refunds. Don't accept bags like this. Tell the seller and the vendor, whoever, immediately so they can correct the problem for you. I will definitely keep all of you in the loop and let you know what happened with this handbag. I will let you know how the vendor responded. because those are interesting things to know. Some people just give up, but honey, this is going back. And that's just the way it goes sometimes. But, you know, keep your boxes, keep your receipts, make your videos, take your pictures, cover yourself to make sure they don't do any pushback, because that was sent to me that way. And, you know, the company, whoever it is, they need to know it because they can't do it. And I'm not going to make videos on bags and say everything's wonderful, get that crappy bag, not show it to you, and then you get a crappy bag, and then not call the vendor and tell them, and then they keep sending crappy bags. Like, that's just not how I roll. I have to allow them the opportunity to say, oh my gosh, this is not what we produce. You bought 7 of our bags. Clearly, the 8th one was just a mistake. We will not let it happen again. And then that's fine. Good for them. I wish them the best. So I got 7 great bags out of them for each under $100. You can't go wrong with that because they're worth nothing. You know, they're not real, so they're not an investment bag. But it's fun to knock around in and use. And they're pretty. And I've shown you really pretty bags. So I showed you an ugly one. They're going to fix it. And I'll let you know how it goes. So thanks for watching How to Beauty. And I have much more fun content for you. And I cannot wait to see you next time. Thanks for watching. And I will see you next time. Bye.